Actually, I don't see Ainsley in the room. Yeah. So
Hi, Lloyd. How are you?
Oh, Ainsley just entered. Hey, Ainsley. Yeah.
Hang on. Here I am.
Hello,
everyone.
nice to see
How are
you.
we?
All right. So now we'll move on to Ainsley. Any updates for Go for us? Seems like Go is having a higher low. Is that a good news for you?
Look, gold's being a little bit. Ash, are you okay for me to stop your screen?
Yeah, you go ahead. You grab away.
I will. I've got some very noisy dinner mates at the moment, but anyway, life goes like that. Where did my screen go? Hang on. No, that didn't work. That didn't work either. Hang on, 2 ticks. Oh.
Ainsley, do you want me to bring up a Go chart for you?
Hang on. I've lost my Zoom. I'm doing a bit of an Ash. I'm sorry. All right, Lloyd, can you just keep talking to me for just a tick, because my meeting controls have just gone completely.
All right. Sorry. What do you want me to do?
Oh, sorry. Hang on. Just 2 ticks. I had my screens up ready to go and they've just disappeared on me. Sorry about that.
I guess that's the trouble with playing with too much screen.
I was waiting patiently. All right, let's get a gold chart up. Are you seeing a gold chart? Are we sharing that?
I'm looking at WTI, H4.
I can't get my the meeting controls have just disappeared on me. I'm actually, now I know how you feel, darling.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Do you want me to do the gold for you, Ainsley?
Hang on. Yeah, Ash, pull up a gold chart for me, darling.
Yeah,
please.
No problem. Okay.
It's just, I lost it completely as far as because there's not a lot to report on the gold, unfortunately, but thank you. My chart's just gone to, I'll get it ready for oil, but there's a gold chart. If we just drop down to a 4-hourly, please, because what we did, if we do the 4-hourly to start with, we can see that there's just been up, down, and sideways. Now, I'm assuming Julian's explained the price action that occurred Thursday night and into Friday. So we had a really good move up, and we can see that on the daily we had a good move up, but then there was a spike. We've come back down. It's not been exciting, and that major move down on Thursday morning early and into Friday, because I'm just looking at the end of Friday. It was all in relation to what happened on the S&P. There was a big move on the S&P and some orders going through. It wasn't actually related to the US dollar. It wasn't actually related to anything else other than what was happening on the S&P. The S&P didn't help at all. So unfortunately, we had this huge move down after we had a really good, it was starting to move up. We had a higher low, high low, we had a really good move, and then we just started to drift back down, and we're back down into this horrible consolidation area. It's almost like we've got another box. And if you actually that high to the left, Ash, if you just went straight across and put a line, no, far left, down, thank you, there. If you did a line across there, where do you think that they're just about there? So in that zone, we've had a bounce back up from there, from that 1755-ish area, back up, and we're just stuck in this blooming consolidation box yet again, another one. It's not giving us the traction. As I was saying the other night, the stimulus checks have all been out. They're all out in the marketplace, and or not, or they're in savings or whatever. But what we've got here is it's just not going anywhere. Again, the big drop, as I said, on Thursday was definitely related to what happened with the S&P and on the Dow Jones, straight down. It's not exciting, is it? It's got nowhere to go at the moment. We've got no direction. We're back in this box. It's really unfortunate, to be quite honest. So at the moment, gold is not a good one to go with at all. Ash, do you think you could throw up a copper chart for me as well? Copper has become my new little friend. Now this is a 4-hourly chart, and yes, we've got some consolidation happening here. The fundamentals on copper is very exciting to me, and it's very interesting. It's also a shiny metal, and it's also something I'm interested in from the point of view of where we're going with. For anybody who doesn't know, copper is required, is a component for batteries for storage of solar energy or green energy or electric vehicles, for example. We need copper. The demand for copper is, if you go to, even if you flick to a weekly chart, Ash, thanks, look at that. It's been pretty impressive for the last year. It's gone straight up, basically. Will it continue? Yes. From all the reports I hear, copper is something to keep an eye on, guys, and it does trade nicely. It goes up to certain levels, it comes back down, there's profit taking, as you would expect, but generally speaking, I believe the demand for this is going to continue into the future. I think this is something that we need to keep an eye on. So have a look at that. In addition to gold, diversification, because you can't keep with gold. I've got a lot of consolidation. It's not helping me at the moment. I need to look at something else to trade, and copper has come to the top.